Okay, ang question dyan is how dinidetermine ni Amazon kung easy ship or self-ship?
Okay, very good question. That's the question I've been waiting for. So, bakit nagfo-fall yung order from easy ship and self-ship? Kaya nagfo-fall or napupunta doon sa self-ship yung mga orders, it's because your product na determine ni Amazon na meron siyang content na hazmat. When you say hazmat, that is hazard materials. So that's the reason why yung mga orders natin na may merong mga hazmat napupunta sa self-ship. Another reason bakit napupunta sa self-ship, it's because the product is more than 20 kilograms. Pag sobra ng 20 kilograms yan, hindi natatanggapin yan nung Amazon driver. Mapupunta agad yan dito sa self-ship. So that's the reason. Kaya makikita mo, uy, yung order ko napunta dito sa self-ship. Okay, napupunta naman yung order natin dito sa easy ship. Si Amazon na nagpipick up because, so sobrang simple lang yung sagot dyan, because your product is safe.